If you want to share your Calendly calendar quickly and make it easy for people to book time with you, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to find your Calendly scheduling link, copy it, and share it anywhere you want. This is one of the simplest ways to let clients, teammates, or customers see your availability without going back and forth over email. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Calendly dashboard where you can manage your events and availability. From there, look for the scheduling section. This is where Calendly keeps the event types you've created, such as one-on-one meetings, consultations, interviews, or any other booking page you've set up. Next, find the event type you want to share. If you have more than one scheduling link, make sure you choose the correct one because each event type can have its own purpose and availability. For example, you might have one link for discovery calls and another for support meetings. Picking the right event here makes sure people book the right kind of appointment with you. Once you've found the event type, choose Copy Link. Calendly will generate your personal scheduling link for that specific event type. When you click Copy, the link is stored on your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need it. This is the link you'll send to other people so they can access your booking page. Now paste your Calendly scheduling link into an email, WhatsApp message, direct message, social media bio, website button, or anywhere else you want to share it. You can also add a short message like, book a time with me here, so people know exactly what the link is for. If you're using it on a website, placing it on a contact page or booking button can make it much easier for visitors to schedule time with you. When someone opens the link, they'll see your available time slots and can book an appointment based on your schedule. That means there's no need for you to manually coordinate times, send back and forth replies, or worry about double booking. Calendly handles the scheduling for you, which saves time and makes the process much smoother for everyone. And that's it. You now know how to share your Calendly calendar in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.